Today is Wednesday, February 2nd, 2022. This video is about this CONSEW differential feed SERGER model 14TU. I think this is also known as a differential feed 4-thread SERGER. I have it listed on various online websites, sales sites. I'm selling it as is for parts or repair because it is appears to be missing parts, and I haven't fully tested it. I have only tested it for powering it on. First, I'm going to go over the cosmetics of the item. Then I'm going to do a power on test. Okay, it comes with this foot pedal, and the foot pedal has tape on the bottom. So this bottom piece will come off if you pull it off. Looks like screws are supposed to be in there that are missing. Come with the SERGER and the foot pedal. Okay, most of the videos I do are about a specific item that I'm selling online. But if you click on the like and the subscribe, it helps me get to the point where I can get monetized on YouTube. So even if you never plan to watch another one of my videos, please click the like and subscribe. I don't ask people to click on the bell button because most of my items are about different items that you may not be interested in. Okay, so I'm going to go over the cosmetics of this item. First of all, it looks like well, from the pictures I've seen on other websites, it's missing the part that goes over here. As far as it has this right here. I guess it's some sort of thread router. And when I ship this, I will probably ship it, or probably take that off when I ship it. Looks like a screw there. If I remove that screw, it looks like it pulls out, and it's kind of loose. Just want to show people as much about it as I can. I am selling it as is for parts or repair. Okay, when you flip this down, okay, I pull it out and down. There's also a dust and debris on the inside. I don't try to clean these out. I may do a basic wipe down of that big dust. And I've noticed that right here, this screw here is cracked. I mean, the crack in the plastic that screw is in, right there. Okay. Take a look at the back, or the side first. It looks like there is some sort of needle in there. I'm going to turn that. Okay, if I push this again, looks like there is a needle in there. Take a look at the back. And there is the model number, and I couldn't decipher the date code, but I think people who deal with these will be able to decipher that date code. The other side. Okay. Over here you have the power switch. and the connector for the power supply or the foot switch, and it's a little loose. I'm not too sure if it's supposed to be like that or not, but that's how it is. And basically that's it for the cosmetics of the item. It's a little yellowed, but not as yellowed as some other, as I've seen some electronics before. So now I'm going to plug in the power cord from the foot pedal. And another thing I noticed is that these here, the blue one, the green one, and the red one turn pretty freely, but the yellow one is kind of stiff. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video and plug in the power cord. Okay, so I've plugged in the power cord. And you see here, that's it. Then you have a power button here, power button switch. When you turn that, the light comes on. Okay, again, today is Wednesday, February 2nd, 2022, and if you're watching this months from now, I'm hoping this will have been sold within a week or two. I may leave the video up. Sometimes I do if I think it could help someone, but this is just showing how minds function, so I don't think I will be leaving this one up because it doesn't really teach anybody anything. Okay, so again, when I turn on the power, flip the power button, the light comes on. And this is the foot pedal or foot switch. When you press the foot switch, the motor turns and the needle goes up and down, or the thing the needle attaches to goes up and down. So I'll do that now. I guess you can kind of control the speed with the foot pedal. And the motor appears to be running smoothly. No burning. I don't see anything, no burning smell or anything like that. And I'm going to open this front cover. Get a view from with the motor spinning from that direction. And then all kinds of adjustments can be made, but I don't know what they are, so I don't even bother with it. I guess the bulb is under here. Okay. I'll do the foot pedal from this angle. And that's basically all I can tell you about this device. I'm selling it as is for parts of repair because it looks like it's missing a part and it hasn't been fully tested. I won't attempt to thread it because I don't know how. Okay, let's go over these buttons. I didn't show you these buttons. Don't know what they do, but they That's the button that moves the needle up and down. I mean the knob. The knob that moves the needle up and down. And these buttons, I don't know what they do, but they're there. Okay, thank you.